Okay, so let's go through the answer to the Power Strategy 2 question on the previous page. This is the chart in question. So can you find the trade? Well, the trade should result in a long trade. So the ABCD is this one here, ABCD. Where are we going to be entering? Well, with all strategy 2 trades, we want to enter at the D point. I've adjusted it slightly higher so it's on the grid line. So you can read the price for the currency unit question. What about the stop? Well, we want the stop to be below the low of a previous pivot low. But as you can see, the previous pivot low is actually way too far. So we will be placing the stop 50% of the C to D leg away from the entry price. And we've adjusted it slightly so it's on the grid line. So you can actually see the price for the currency unit question. What about break-even price? Well, that will be at a 1-to-1 risk reward. And if the entry and the stop were at their proper places, the distance between the entry and the stop and the distance between the entry and the break-even will be the exact same distance. When price reaches the break-even price, we move our stop from the original place up to the entry price. So how many currency units would you trade here? $20,000 account, 3% risk per trade. It's a GBP US dollar trade. Entry at 1.9781. Stop at 1.9689. So let's go through to the trade size calculator. So we've got a $20,000 account, 3% risk per trade, currency is GBP US dollar, entry is 1.9781. Now remember, you should always include the decimal points as indicated here on the trade size calculator. The stop is 1.9689, and when I hit calculate, we get 65,217 currency units. So for this trade, we will be trading 65,217 currency units with a 3% risk on a $20,000 account. What about the exit? Where would you exit? Well, we exit by looking at pivot lows and trail by pivot lows. So after the break-even price, the first pivot low is this one here. And so we would move our stop higher from the entry up to this point. The next pivot low is this one right here. And so our stop moves up to this low right here after this green bar has completed. And then we see that price actually comes down past our stop and stops us out. So we would be exiting at the price indicated. We went long, so we bought first, and so we would sell to exit our position. Our risk reward? Well, with the stop at the right place and the entry at the right place, our risk reward is approximately 4-to-1. So I hope you got that all right. And I really hope these examples are helping you understand strategy 2 better. It's this simple to be making money in the forex, but you just need to make sure that you stick at it. Make sure you understand that you are going to be losing on some trades, and just keep trading the same strategy in the same way consistently, and you'll be making money in the forex. Now if you just continue over to the next page, we'll carry on with the module. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in the next video.